College baseball's premier non-conference rivalry is renewed for the 310th time tonight as the South Carolina Gamecocks host the Clemson Tigers at Founders Park.
All right, Clark, you got him here. Let's go!
Runners going, and Bride just reaches out, swats it into right center. Good piece of hitting from Jonah Bride, and that South Carolina claims round one of this three-round battle for bragging rights in the Palmetto State. As Clark Schmidt's pitching and Alex Testino's hitting, and some defensive mistakes by Clemson add up to a dominant 8-1 victory for South Carolina.